Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have Gboard installed and the keyboard active. Open Gboard settings now. If you can't find it, tap the gear icon on the keyboard or open Android settings, right arrow system, right arrow languages, and input. Once done, go to Preferences and locate keyboard height. You adjust from default to tall or custom to increase size, because height directly controls touch target area and visibility. So changing it first often fixes the small keyboard issue immediately. Next, focus on layout and display conflicts that make the keyboard appear small. Set Gboard's height to tall or enter custom and add 10-20% to the default. That increases touch targets. Make sure floating keyboard is off because it reduces default width. If you use one-handed mode, test both left and right to compare. Also, check your device display size and font size. If they are set very small, the keyboard can scale down. Adjust these to ensure Gboard renders larger and clearer. To finish, update Gboard to the latest version because updates fix scaling bugs, then clear cache or, if necessary, app data to remove corrupt settings. If custom changes don't help, choose Reset to Default in Gboard and reapply only the height change. This isolates the fix. Finally, restart your device to apply system-level scaling. If it still looks small, reinstall Gboard or install an alternative keyboard to confirm whether the issue is app-specific. Troubleshooting tip: test in safe mode to rule out conflicting apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.